Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to perform a hard reset on any of your Honor smartphone to start fresh with your device. So here we go. So to perform a hard reset on your Honor smartphone, the very first thing you have to do is go to the settings. After that, scroll down, go to the system and update section, and here you will find an option called reset, and right above it there is an option backup and restore. So before performing hard reset, if you would like to take the backup of your data, then you can go to the backup and restore section and use any of the provided options to backup your data before performing the hard reset. Once you are done with that, all you have to do is tap on the reset option, and here you will find three options. Out of these three, we have to use the last one, that is reset phone. If you tap on it, it will show you this warning message that whatever content you got on your device will be deleted and you will start totally fresh with your smartphone. So just tap on the reset button at the bottom. Once again, it will show you this warning message that everything will be wiped out from your device, and it will give you the backup option once again to backup your data. And if you would like to keep the eSIM information on your device after performing the hard reset, then you can select the reset but keep eSIM, or you can just tap on the reset button to start performing the hard reset of your Honor smartphone or tablet. And as you can see, the erasing process is started. Once it is finished, the device will reboot, and after that we will go through the setup process just like we did once we started using the device for the very first time. So this is how you can perform a hard reset of your Honor smartphone or tablet. All you have to do is go to the settings, go to system and updates, tap on reset phone, then tap on reset phone button one more time, and then reset button. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.